Audrey, the love of my life. You're everything I could have asked for as a wife. You're passionate, you're understanding, you're sincere, and you wear your emotions on your sleeve. We've been through so many tough things in our relationship that most people couldn't get through. No matter what it was, the distance, the traveling to see each other, or my immaturity, you were always there. You were there the first moment I stepped on a college baseball field and the first moment I stepped on a big league field. I love how big your heart is and your ability to love through all the bad things that life throws at you. You find a way to always get through whatever happens, not just in our relationship, but in life. There's nobody I would have rather grown with over the past 7 years. I've watched you flourish as a partner, and I can't wait to see what the future holds with us. Everything that has happened throughout the years with my career wouldn't have been worth it if I didn't have you to share it with. Out of all things that I personally accomplished, this has to be at the top. Finally getting to marry the woman of my dreams. From driving 7 hours in college to just to see each other, to staying at the top of the Ritz-Carlton in Chicago and everything in between. We finally made it to the finish line that I always told you would happen. We are getting married. I promise to always cherish who you are, always take care of you to the best of my ability, and always protect you. I will be there for you, always. I will cherish our marriage and do nothing but work on us to make sure we're always happy. I can't wait to become your husband, Audrey. I love you.
I love you. My dear Audrey, today is the day that we finally, officially become one as a whole. I saw myself standing across from you like we are today in my dreams many years ago, and I'm so thankful that we are able to make it come true together. I vow to embrace you tighter on your darker days, but to hold you close to me every day after too. I vow to pour into our cup as much as I pour into my own, to never drown or starve our love of the consistency it needs to keep growing. I vow to be your safe space to run to when you need protection and your place of comfort when you need a quiet reflection. I vow to lift you on the days you find yourself dragging through. I vow to always remind you of your potential because you have shown me more than you can see. I vow to listen to you. I promise to hear you without making you feel like a hostage to your own thoughts, because I know when they're dark, I can bring the light. I vow to never judge you and to always allow you to express yourself in the best way you choose. I vow to never deceive you, but instead love you to my core, shamelessly, because you are deserving of it. I vow to love you and to always show you. I vow to never make you question it. I can't wait to continue our adventures as well as make new ones together in the many years to come. Thank you for loving the parts of me that are not easy to love, turning the pages gently, and helping me rewrite a happy ending to my narrative. I love you.
I love you.
I pronounce you husband and wife. Just scratch. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to introduce to you the first time Mr. and Mrs. Audrey Lipsius.